Come test drive the 1996 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual note horn, fog lamps, rear wheel drive, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find leather shift knobs, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, tachometer, front floor mats. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.